So let's talk plants and trees. You might want to pay attention to this portion of the video if we've done any plant and tree plantings in your project, as this discusses a little bit about the warranty and the maintenance and care of it. So let's start warranty first. Our plants have a 30-day warranty. That covers the initial transplant shock, make sure they start growing, and then they turn into a healthy plant. Trees, we have a little bit longer, and that's a 90-day warranty. Typically at a final walkthrough, if something doesn't look right, we put that on a watch list. We don't necessarily come out and replace it right away. When we do a plant and tree replacement, we usually want to do that in that 30 to 60-day range. We'll also, sometimes of the year, we'll wait, if it's in the heat of the summer or the dead of the winter, we're going to wait until the spring or fall to come out and do a one-time plant replacement. So at this final walkthrough, point out any plants that look suspect, that you're worried about. We document it, we take pictures of it. Don't worry, we're going to come out and take care of it. So plants and trees, they need some routine care, they need some routine maintenance. So we recommend generally on a 1-year basis some light pruning of trees. That gets in and prunes some of the interior portions of the tree up, any of the overgrowth that if you want to control the size of the tree, but we call this thinning some of the tree. Usually after year 2, you see the growing stakes or the stakes here. I come back to projects and sometimes 3-4 years later, once this trunk can handle its own weight and it can handle the winds and the monsoons that we get in the fall, these stakes can be removed. And right off the bat, we install these stakes because the tree cannot support its own weight, and sometimes we don't want it to break in these heavy monsoon winds. So once you feel like the tree trunk can support the canopy of the tree, you can go ahead and remove these. So if you have any questions, send us some pictures of the tree. You can feel whether the tree is stable or not, and then once you feel that that's okay, these can come out and you have a beautiful looking tree. So how often to fertilize? Well, we recommend fertilizing at least twice a year, usually in the spring, maybe again in the fall. Fertilizing plants and trees, you can hire professionals. At my own house, I do it myself. I actually go buy some general purpose fertilizer, and I will actually sprinkle fertilizer around the trunk or the base of the trees and the plants in my property. It's really that simple. So if you have any questions on fertilizer, what to use, you can contact your local nursery. The Home Depot has things like that, or give us a call. We're happy to recommend something. One of the other items that we commonly see that cause some of the demise of some of the plants and trees that we install are insects. So pay careful attention to what's going on your tree, because we do not warranty from insect damage. Some of the plants and trees that we install get spider mites, they can get some of the borers, they get other little insects that start to eat, or the caterpillars that show up on some of the Arizona yellow bells, things like that. So you've got to pay special attention, have your landscape maintenance company do so as well. When insects start to show up and eat your plants, you have to be reactive. If you have any questions on that, just give us a call, we're happy to help.